In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in RedBus app. So if you want to log in the RedBus application, it is actually very simple. So what you have to do is launch open RedBus application on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on this option, My Account, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to find this option for login. Tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log into your account. You can either log in with a mobile number or you can also sign in with Google if you want. Use the login method that you used while creating your account. If you want to use the mobile number, simply select the country code and enter the mobile number over here. Tap on this option, Get OTP. Now simply enter your OTP and you'll be logged in to your account. Likewise, if you want to sign in with Google, tap on this option, Sign in with Google, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to select the Google account to continue. Tap on the Google account that you would like to use in order to log in to your account. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in RedBus app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.